heater in the 1970s. This is what a water heater looked like from 1970s. So my daddy said he bought this water heater in the 1970s, but he's not sure of the date. But it was within around 1976, 1978, something like that. So this is what a water heater looked like in the 1970s. Look at this. So I think you get to hang it like this. Whoa! Yeah, so you get to hang it, and then it stays like this, and then the connection to your what are they call it? Your shower comes from here. So if you do see the current water heater, you're going to see like the similarities between this and the current water heater. And if you're doubting me, you can go to the internet and check what a water heater used to look like in the 1970s. You're going to see these things in different colors. We have growing up as a child, I used to see the white one and this green one, but I think I don't know where the white one is. Obviously, it has been discarded. So luckily, I was able to find this one in an old storage here in our house, a store. So this is what a water heater looked like from the 1970s. Now let me ask you, have you seen a water heater from the 1970s before? I bring it to you firsthand. This is what it looks like. So stay tuned, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are coming to YouTube. Our link is on the bio. So follow, like, share, and stay tuned, because we have a whole lot of old money aesthetically pleasing stuff to show you that we're from the 1980s. So you see what life used to be like before now. Stay tuned and don't go away. Thank you.